1 year ago, ITG decided to unite with Groundworks to have the strength to reach new levels and grow like never before. This is our 1-year anniversary. Over this last year, I've really been amazed how I'm the Guy has really adapted and combined with Baker's. Baker's was a great company to begin with, and we're very proud to be part of their brand.
Once I understood the opportunities, I became extremely excited and happy to share it with all of our coworkers.
And they could see the potential of what Baker's waterproofing could become with the support of Groundworks. It was just like an overnight, you could see the employees' mind shift switch.
The sales department has been able to grow exponentially. It has 50% growth year-over-year sales.
Our average dollar per lead has gone up $1,200, and our average sale has gone up $4,000.
They came out swinging, and they were hitting $2 million in sales a month.
What our top guys did previously is now what the norm is.
Groundworks has made a tremendous investment over this last year.
13 new box trucks, but then with that, you add some sales vehicles as well that our inspectors drive.
It's very exciting to have a brand new office building, new storefront, bigger warehouse, new computers. These are all things that are able to make us more efficient.
The main area that we've seen growth is in the production side. We have grown from 7 crews to 13 crews. Year to date, we've grown 28% in the volume of work that we've installed.
They want everyone moving up, and they want everyone to bring other people up.
We've also grown in promoting people.
And they really do strive to find you a position that works for what you're good at.
There's been lots of promotions. People from co-foreman to foreman, from laborers to co-foremans, foremans to superintendents.
We've got 2 new managers that have come up through the ranks, 6 new foremen, and we're just going to continue as we grow to continue moving leaders up and promoting.
Even for myself, I was given the opportunity to join the Groundworks marketing team as a senior brand manager.
The investment from Groundworks in not only training you just to do the job, but how to be a leader and how to grow, they do it every day.
There's leadership training where they bring people together.
I left there being a better sales manager, better husband, better father. So that's really important to me too.
By joining Groundworks, every single aspect of our business have had growth.
This past year, we broke records, provided more opportunities to our employees, and had strength united.